At SYTIS, we see things invisible to the naked eye, and we do it remotely with AI-powered infrared systems that deliver continuous thermal monitoring and diagnostics across a wide range of industries. SYTIS's flagship GridSafe Skid System is a rapidly deployable, comprehensive solution engineered for substations and security. This advanced, condition-based monitoring system tracks every component in the substation with real-time alerts so you can avert catastrophic events and downtime. The GridSafe system features 3 bispectral PTZ cameras that continuously monitor high-voltage assets to detect heat anomalies and ignition risks long before they threaten your operation. It supports up to 300 customizable camera presets and automated alerts tailorable to your operational needs, including virtual fence lines with line crossing detection. With rising environmental and operational threats to grid stability, the GridSafe Skid System delivers proactive protection for mission-critical infrastructure, safeguarding personnel and assets alike through remote AI-powered oversight that delivers 24/7 visibility. Recently, the GridSafe Skid System achieved a major milestone. In preparation for upcoming global events like the FIFA World Cup 2026 and LA Olympics 2028, our technology has been deployed to support 4 substations serving SoFi Stadium, helping to ensure grid reliability where it matters most. Intelligent monitoring, like the GridSafe system, is earning its place on the world stage. This isn't just predictive maintenance and actionable data, it's true peace of mind. SYTIS. Predict, prevent, protect. Get in touch to see how the GridSafe Skid System protects your most critical infrastructure.